How's it going, everyone? I'm back with another video, and this time this is one of Corsair's new AIOs, and I decided to put it in my computer build because of the fact is I am planning to get a new gaming card. Hopefully open that up on the channel. And I have an air tower cooled right now with a push-pull configuration on the tower. So I decided to get rid of that tower and install this. This is the iCue H150i Elite, and we're about to unbox this here. And of course, I forgot my knife. I'll be right back. And I'm back. I got my knife right here. So open this sucker up. Where do you open it up? I don't want to. There we go. That's all I need. That's all I need. Okay. Safety first. Close this up. I do. What's that? Super chilled. We're about to find out if that is the truth. Okay, take off this. I'm gonna take off all the plastic and then go around the box. Check it out. Get out. Okay. So, super chilled. I guess this is the. All right. Let's check out the back real quick before I open it up. So it is. This is a nice back. I'm not sure about the specs, to be honest, but I know it has three 120 millimeter fans, RGB, which can be controlled by the iCue software, which is anything that Corsair has LED lighting can be controlled by this software, and they're very unique. You can change half a fan to one color, half a fan to another. It is a pretty. It's a little complicated. It's not as simple as some other programs out there that make it easier. Just pick a color, and then you can play with the actual settings on the light and dark, and also maybe the type of color, like a dark green, light green, allows you to do that. They give you so much feature that sometimes you might get a little confused, but it's definitely a good program. Let's open this up. First thing you see is a warranty guide. We'll look at this later. No one came to see that. We'll look at this later. Let me see. Hold on. Let's see. What is the warranty real quick? It should be. You see that? Let me see. We'll figure that out later. Let's figure that out later. This. All right. Here's the goodies. The good. All right, let's pull this off. This is the pump, and the CPU cooler, and the pump. See, this is the new design, and I'm pretty sure you can change this to a clear template. Let's take this out here. This is the radiator. This is a 360 rad configuration. Oh, I like that. That's nice. With the Corsair trim there. This is actually going into my computer, my gaming build, which I will be showing. Which my gaming build is done already, but I will definitely show it to you guys and add the new components onto it. Jeez, it's okay. We got one fan. Is this the one with the separate header? Oh yeah. This is the only thing about Corsair is they have two connectors. one for the LED and one for the actual fan, which makes your case sometimes look like a mess. There's 120, another 120, and then what's good with this one, yes, this is definitely more pricier than the other one. It's much pricier than the other one, the older ones, because of the fact they are coming with this controller. So instead of having multiple headers on your motherboard to get this connected, you only connect it to your power supply and one header. And then you would be able to connect all your fans. One side is fans. Let's see what side. Okay, this side is fans. Let me open this up. Make it easier to see. Okay, let me see if we can focus that. Let's turn it upside down. There we go. Okay, you can see that it says RGBs, the RGB hub, and then you have the fan hub, and you got a temperature header there, and then you got another plug in here. That's an exit plug, and I'm guessing this goes to, from my understanding, from what I see here, is going to the CPU with this header here. So you have a header here for the light on the CPU cooler. Okay. And you're also getting, oh, here's the other plate. This is the other plate I'm talking about. So you can change out the plate on the header. On the header. Jeez. The CPU cooler. Why is this completely sealed? No way. Okay, cool. There it is. And then you have LEDs. You have the LED lit shining through here on the whole head of the CPU cooler. Pretty nice. I like that. I'm definitely going to put the more color on mine because I'm a clear color on mine. I'm a RGB fan. And these are all the brackets for the AMD STR4 socket. And this is the AMD AM4 socket. Where is the Intel bracket? This is the one I'll be using, my Intel bracket. And it comes with those two AMD's socket mounts. And that's about it on this one. You got your... Thank you for watching my unboxing. If you care to see me install this into my current gaming build, please share, like, any comments, and in the comments let me know if you want to see this recorded, and I'll install it, since this is the new AIO from Corsair, the 360 millimeter fan. So let me know, and see you next time.